Hi girlfriends, my name is Courtney Johnson and I'm the Executive Director at Crag Law Center. We are so grateful to be among your finalists for your Impact Award this year. Why should you support Crag? Because we're a team of lawyers providing expert legal advice to dozens of groups throughout Portland and the Pacific Northwest fighting for a healthy environment. If you have a favorite environmental group that you love and support, chances are we've worked together to help them achieve their mission. Right now, we're facing unprecedented threats from a federal government that's trying to dismantle environmental protections and undo environmental justice. Now more than ever, these groups in Portland need our help, legal expertise to get things done. When you support Crag, you're not just supporting us and our team, but you're helping us amplify and build capacity for the entire environmental movement here in Portland. We have an amazing team of experienced lawyers, and we're building the next generation of environmental advocates here at Crag. With a grant from 99 Girlfriends, we'll be here to support our community and meet this moment in history.
Hello, my name is Rebecca Dowett. I'm the Environmental Justice Staff Attorney here at Crag Law Center. Did you know that Crag is the only environmental legal nonprofit here in Oregon with a dedicated environmental justice program? Why is that important? Well, today, in theory, our environmental laws are supposed to protect everyone equally, but in practice, often they don't. Today, still, race and income are our top determining factors to know how much environmental pollution you are disproportionately exposed to. So what we get to do is we are changing and expanding what it means to be a lawyer. What that looks like here in Portland can be seen in the Argay Terrace community out in Northeast. There, a 244,000 square foot warehouse was proposed to be sited in an environmental justice community right next to homes, schools, and a really busy traffic area. For nearly 3 years, we worked with this community to talk to their community leaders, talk to their city officials, activate their students, to draft testimony, to get the city to listen and say, hey, we don't want this diesel pollution here. Hey, we're really worried about the safety of our community. When litigation eventually came around, we were there to support that community as well. Now we're able to take that even further and realize that our environmental laws need to go further. Now we're working with a broad coalition of folks seeking to make sure that industrial uses are not sited near vulnerable communities. Now, more than ever, environmental justice communities need a lawyer to make sure that our environmental laws work for everyone all the time.
Hey girlfriends, my name is Brenna Bell and I'm the newest senior staff attorney at the Crag Law Center. For about the past 30 years, I've been working in and around environmental nonprofits in Portland, working to save the environment, the land, the water, the future, and I've noticed that often they bump into the law and need legal support. So I became a lawyer, and throughout my entire legal career, the Crag Law Center has had my back. When I was a new leader and was looking for legal mentorship, Crag lawyers were there. When I was the staff attorney for a local environmental nonprofit and just needed to bounce ideas off of other environmental litigators, the Crag staff was there. And when our organization wanted to litigate, but my docket was full, Crag lawyers stepped in and took the case because that's what they do. They support the community. They mentor new attorneys, they fight, and they win. And so when I heard what Crag was hiring for a new staff attorney position, I just jumped at the chance to join this team. Who better to be with at this moment in time when environmental laws are facing so much challenge? And one case that I'm particularly excited to be working on is defending Forest Park from PGE wanting to clear cut 5 acres to put in energy transmission lines. You may have heard about it. A lot of people in Portland were very upset, and the city did the right thing and denied PGE's permit. But PGE appealed that to the State Land Use Board of Appeals. So Crag is representing community groups to defend the city's good decision. That's what we do. We show up and fight, and we win. We have about a dozen cases going on right now with similar community groups. And I can't overstate how important this is and this time. Thank you, girlfriends, for all you're doing to support community groups throughout Portland, and we're really glad to be in the fight with you.